What's going on, guys? My name is Karim Jooma and welcome to another episode of Redline Auto Show. As you see in the title of the video, today we're going to be showing you how to take off the 2018 Jeep Wrangler JL 4-door soft top. So let's do it. So guys, it seems that every time Jeep does something new, it's always more innovative. It's always becoming easier and more convenient. You have to bring the sun visor down, flip this tab open, that's very lightweight but still secure, and do it the same on the other side.
And that's it.
And that's it. So on the new JL, there's three different options for you to operate the soft top. This is called the Sunrider top option, and basically all you have to do, like you saw us do, is unhook the top inside and put it down. So if you're going on like a quick trip to the mall, the grocery store, and you want to have the top off, that's the easiest way to do it. You open this door over here, and there's three different things you have to do until you get this part off. There's two latches, and they've made it very easy. You undo this tab, okay? That's all, it's a little tab that goes there under here. Really easy to take out. Undo that. We go on the other side, undo that. And then one last thing, there's a rod. You can do it with one hand or two. You can pull it out. There you go. And you won't break it. It's pretty durable. It's made by Jeep. That's what they're known for doing. And all you have to do now is just slide it out. Pull it out of its tab from the other side as well. And then slide. That's all. As simple as that. Then with ease, we can easily put it in the trunk, and it fits right there perfectly. So just as easy as the back was, same with the side. You want to get your hand here, and on this hard corner, you want to yank out, and then you want to come over here. And how easy it is, you want to go to the top and undo this Velcro, and same, you want to slide it out.
Sorry.
It's okay. And you want to slide it out. That easy. Process with the other side, we want to yank out firmly, and then we want to go on the other side, and once it's loose, we want to peel it out, undo the Velcro, make sure it's all done, and then slide out comfortably. There you go. So for those of you Jeep people who haven't seen this feature before, it'll blow your mind of how easy it is. This latch right here where I'm putting my hand, we want to pull it. We want to pull it all the way back. Bam! So for you picky people who don't like certain things like these rods and bolts hanging out, Jeep has provided an option with this latch right here. You push back and you can actually bring this whole rod down. Now, it's not going to go all the way down until you go on the other side and do the exact same thing. Then you can pull it both down with ease. Yeah. Now you may be wondering, okay, Karim, well, I got the soft top down, I got everything down. How am I going to hold it in place? How is it going to be safe when I'm on the road? They've already thought of that. We pull the seatbelt back so you can see there's a lock system, and it's on both sides. Currently, it's unlocked. We have to push it to lock, and now the mechanism won't move at all while you're driving to keep you safe. Other side, we can put it to lock, and it's secure.
Alright guys, so now putting it back up is just the reversal of the whole process that Karim just showed you, but I'm going to show you a little bit in detail so you don't miss out. There are plenty of videos out there that are missing out on some fine details. Now this latching mechanism is basically you pull it up here, just make sure you pull this latch back and lock it in place. Karim, if you could just show this other angle and let them see what we're talking about. So basically this is the latch. So just make sure that this goes in here and latches in. You do the same thing on the other side. Alright guys, so the same thing on the driver's side. Pull this latch back, make sure it locks in place, and close this. The next step you want to do is remember these locks that we lock. We have to get it to the unlock position because we're getting ready to put it back up. Same thing on this side. Get it into the unlock position and get it the back, and that's it.
Wow. Oh my gosh, wow. It's like a roller coaster.
That's easy as it is. Now, just to play around with it, pull this latch and pull it back down. It comes all the way down. So if you don't actually take it off from those latches, this is as quick as the Sunrider soft top. Let's push it back and it locks in place, guys. This is awesome. Alright guys, now that we've got half of the soft top on, if you want to close it, all you have to do is just lift it up. It's on hydraulic struts right here, and this thing stays in place. So there's no risk of it falling on you or pinching your fingers or nothing. It just stays like this. All you have to do is come in here and pull this down. That's it. Alright guys, so now that the top is down, latching it is just as easy. All you have to do is push it forward like this and let it hook and pull this back.
That's the hook right there.
Alright guys, so you know, we had the Sunrider soft top. That's the soft top open halfway, and then we went all the way. Now this is a new function. You can ride around like this. They call it the safari top. So basically, just imagine this with no doors. It's just you have the top on top, keeps you from the sun's glare. People had the bikini top, or you know, they called it a mesh top, but you can leave this soft top on just in this position and drive around. Alright guys, so now that we've got the top all the way up, so let's get started with getting this done. Basically, I don't know if you can see this, but there's a channel right here that accepts this thing right here. This thing. So what you want to do is you want to get it from here, Karim, so we can get it on camera. So you want to guide this in. Just like that. You get it? And slide it forward. And get this plastic part in here, and it just hooks in straight. You do the same thing with the bottom too. So you get this plastic into this channel right here, just like that, and then this notch right here goes into this, and make sure this lines up over here, and push it in. That's about it. You're good to go. Okay, so let's look at it on the passenger side now. Again, this is the shaft that gets into this channel right here. All right, so just line it up. Like this, and slide it right in. See that? As easy as that. Alright, now that we slid the whole side panel onto it, what you want to do is come right here, just like we did on the other side, get this plastic tab to go into this slot right here. So just twist it and put it in there. And the same thing with the bottom. Get this plastic tab, to go in to this channel right here. And then, just like we did on the other side, just make sure this seats in here, goes right there, and then get this to sit in here. That's about it. Alright guys, so now that we've got the side panels on there, we're getting ready to put this back window on. So it's the same concept. It's this kind of a shaft that goes into a channel just like on the side windows. Let me show you the channel right here. This is it. Like you see the channel, that's where it's supposed to go. So what you have to do is just needle this in like this and slide it right to the edge. Once you do that, what you want to do is it's the same concept. Just get the stabs into the slots right here, right, and then get to the passenger side and do the same thing. And the next thing you want to do is just line this up and push this retaining thing in, and again go in the channel. And that's it. Alright guys, so that's about it. That wraps up operating the soft top on the new 2018 Jeep Wrangler JL. They've made it so easy, and it's just I think they've done a fantastic job. We're waiting on a two-door Jeep Wrangler to show up. As soon as we get one, we will do a similar kind of a how-to video on that one as well. Yep. And
that's pretty much it for this video, guys. We hope you enjoyed us showing you how to access and use the new 2018 Jeep Wrangler soft top. And if you enjoyed the video and you liked it, hit the like button down there. Subscribe here if you're already not subscribed, right on its face. And here's our latest video, guys. Until next time, stay tuned because we're going to have a giveaway tomorrow. Until next time, we're out.
Yep.